Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hashir Ayaz. I am the student of Rehan School Islamabad, a faith campus at foundation level. So this is my TEDx on the topic of the touch enabled opportunity transforming lives in Pakistan by Rehan Allahwala sir. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I watched the inspiring TEDx talk Touch Enable Opportunity Transforming Lives in Pakistan by Rehan Allahwala. This talk highlights how technology can create opportunities and improve the lives of people across Pakistan. In his speech, Rehan Allahwala explained that technology is one of the most powerful tools for change in the modern world. Through the internet, smartphone, online education, and digital platform, people can learn new skills, start business, and connect with opportunities from anywhere. One of the main messages from this TEDx talk is that talent exists everywhere, but opportunities do not. Many people in Pakistan, especially in smaller towns and villages, have great potential but lack access to education and resources. Technology can bridge this gap and help people achieve success. Rehan Allahwala also talk about the importance of digital skills. He encourage young people to learn freelancing, online communication, content creation, and modern technology so they can complete in the global world. According to him, the internet has created a future where anyone with skills and determination can succeed. Another important point from the talk is that technology is not only about machines or apps, it is about empowering people, reducing poverty, and creating hope for better future. Education and innovation together can transform communities and improve lives. I also like how Rehan Lawala motivated the youth of Pakistan to think positively and use technology for learning and progress instead of wasting time online. His message inspired young people to believe in themselves and work hard for success. My biggest takeaway from this TEDx talk is that technology can become a bridge to opportunity, education, and empowerment. If used wisely, it can help Pakistan move toward a brighter and more successful future. Thank you everyone for listening. So this is my TEDx talk. So this is successful done. So Assalamu alaikum Pakistan.